Hello everyone, my name is Akshat and today I am making this video to talk about the DrGViswanathan challenge going on in our university and by many of my colleagues and friends. Well, I already got late making this video because this DrGViswanathan challenge already started around 16th of September. Well, no problem. Before starting, let me tell you, as usual, this is low budget, low effort video and without any script. So like this video if you like my uncanny voice. So if you talk about DrGViswanathan's challenge, it's written in the mail that 15 minutes of coding and a public commitment with your friends. You have to do, you can do it weekly or daily in the LeetCode or the GFG Geeks for Geeks. So basically it encourages us to do the problem solving or DSA particularly for a particular amount of time, maybe 100 days, or it's written over here 51 days or 30 something days. So after seeing this leverage and fluid behavior of this, decided to take it in a little different way. For example, it's written that you have to do one question every day and post in the LinkedIn. Whereas instead of posting on LinkedIn, I thought of making a video of every question I do and post it on YouTube with the same hashtag. Well, I myself did a pretty around 6 questions in these 6 days and cannot make the video, so I'm making this video to just show those 6 questions. But after today, I thought of making one video for one question, and I will do it for maybe 100 or 150 days. So let's see.